Welcome. In this video, we'll learn about the opening and closing stock entry in your owner's dashboard. So, the first step is click on the Inventory tab. Then go to the Manage Stock section. Here you will find two sections, Available Stock and Closing Stock. Available stock is used when you want to update stock for the current date, whereas closing stock is for updating stock of previous days. In the closing stock section, you won't find the current date listed, as it's meant for the past days. You can update the closing stock up to 30 days prior to the current date. Next, enter the date for which you want to check the closing stock and click on the Load button. Now you will be able to see the closing stock for the selected date. You can also update the closing stock manually. Once done, click on Save. If you are updating stock for the first time, click on the Add Stock button. Then enter the date. Select the raw material and select its closing stock and its unit. You can also add a short comment for reference and then click on Save Changes. The raw material will be then added to the list. You can upload your opening and closing stock using the Excel file and export the data in both Excel and PDF formats for easy record keeping. Today's closing stock automatically becomes the next day's opening stock, so you can skip the manual opening entry process completely.